Hello, my name is Joanne Morris, and this is my art studio and gallery. My medium is working in acrylic on canvas, botanical watercolor paintings, and a selection of photographs that I took in Italy that have been enhanced with acrylic paint.
I'm Peter Moffat, and the work that I have here today is Encaustic, which is a wax media, and it's one of the oldest forms of painting.
Hi, my name is Chris Ford. Welcome to the tour. You're at Art and Heirloom Shoppe, downtown Chatham.
Hi, I'm James McLean, and I am a local author. I take part in literary arts through my Fall of Alan Farr series. You can find me at the Art and Heirloom Shoppe, as well as the Studio Art Gallery in Dresden, and hope you enjoy the art tour.
Visit CKARtstudiotour.com.